performing the business applications. It is very famous now come to the IT industry then compared to the rest of the technologies. Example, when we want to develop the project, we need different technologies. Example, if we want to develop the project in Java, we need front end, back end and database. We require different technologies. But when we come to Salesforce, it will provide as package of all technologies in one box. That's why we can develop the application in out of the box functionality. So due to this reason, we can develop the application very easy and we can deliver to the client in short time. So that's why nowadays every client is giving interest on the Salesforce application. Salesforce is a CRM application and it's a cloud-based application. Next, when we come to other technologies like Java.NET, if we want to work on Java, then we have to install Java software, then only we can work on Java. But when we come to Salesforce, it's a complete online application like Gmail. Example, how we work with Gmail, we can connect to internet and we log into Gmail and we check our mails. Then we log out from Gmail. In the same way, Salesforce is also an online application and it's a cloud application. So we create an account, like we get username and password and we log into Salesforce account and we will do our work and we log out from the Salesforce application. It's a complete online application and no desktop. So it's a no desktop software. That means, example, if you want to work on Java, then what we have to do? We have to install the Java software and we have to install related softwares. But come to Salesforce, it's free from softwares. Just you have to create your account like Gmail. Once you create an account, you will get username and password. So with that you can log in and you will work on it and you will log out from the Salesforce application. So due to this reason, it's very comfortable in the entire world. Whenever we have net, we can work on Salesforce platform. It's very free and friendly and there is no location dependency. Example, if we take other technologies like Java or Oracle, some other things, what happens means in our companies we have the work environment. If we come to home, we can't continue work due to that software dependency. But come to Salesforce, we have no dependency. That's why simply we can log into Salesforce and we can work from anywhere, either home, office or somewhere else in the world, because we are depending on internet, not depending on location. So due to this reason, we can work from anywhere. That's why in Salesforce we have the positions for work from home also, they give very easily. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next, come to Salesforce, we have two modules. One module is admin part that we call as configuration. Second part we call as development that we call as customization. So we have two parts. So first one is admin part, that is configuration. So first one we call as admin part, that is called configuration, and second part we have development that we call as customization. So addition to this we have database. Salesforce internally provides Salesforce database. database. So in our course we will cover all these. First we cover about admin part, configuration. Once we complete configuration, we will go through the development. So once we complete development, we can develop the applications. So but in these two modules, admin part means configuration. So when we talk about configuration means Salesforce providing so many standard features ready-made. Ready-made means it's they implemented already, just we have to utilize the resources for our business requirement. And come to second part, development. Development means it's kind of programming language. Like when we talk about our academic C language, C++ and core Java, .NET. So how we write the programs and run the programs, see the output like that. So in the same way, development means we have to write complete coding and we have to write the business logic. And when we want to come for development means when the admin feature is not available, then we come to development. If any requirement feasible with admin part, then we don't look into the development. Development comes under when the requirement is not suitable, not achievable, then through the admin part, then only we come to development. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So in development we have two parts. First one is Visual Force and second one is Apex programming. So if we are learning development means we should learn these two parts. First one is Visual Force, second one is Apex programming. Visual Force is kind of front end, that means like HTML. So when we see HTML, it's a front end technology and it is a complete markup language. We have number of tags, we have to open the tag and close the tag. In the same way, Visual Force is also a markup language. It's using for developing the UI application, user interface application. Example, if you want to develop the website or web page, you should use the Visual Force for front end, like colors, checkboxes, radio buttons, text fields like that. And second, we have Apex programming. This is the complete programming language for backend, for writing the complete business language. This is like our C, C++ and core Java, VB.NET like that. So if we have any experience on C, C++, Apex programming is also same, like data types, if condition, while condition, for, do while, methods, object, class, interface, inheritance like that. Okay, so like that. So once we combine this Visual Force and Apex programming, we can achieve the development. Once we write the development programs, we will write the business logic and we implement it. Clear?
Yeah. So what will you be teaching in this class? Is it going to be development, configuration, or the Salesforce database? What will you be teaching?
No, I will cover that ABC, 3 parts.
Okay.
So first I will start admin part.
Okay.
And we go to database parallelly. And development is the second module.
Okay.
So and then our content will go with 30 sessions.
Okay.
So in the first 12 or 13 we talk about admin part. So once we are okay with confidence, once you get, then we move to the development.
So like other things, does this also need some kind of like a server or something to access it? Or I also heard that we need like basics in Java for this, is that right?
Yeah. What you can do means, if you have, okay, do you have any programming knowledge prior?
Long time back, I did some C language programming.
That is okay, fine, no problem. What you can do means before starting development, you can just refresh sometime like brush up. So once we start the development, you will get quick access like that.
Okay.
So, but if you do refreshment, that is fine. If not, also I will do from scratch, no issues.
Okay, how do you practice, how do we practice it though, the configuration, customization and all that, how do we practice it?
Yeah, we will create one account. So Salesforce providing free accounts, like we can create new account like Gmail. Once you register, you will get the account details with the username and password. You can log into username and password with the Salesforce. Once you log in, you can work both admin and development, two areas in one platform.
Oh, okay.
And once you're done, you can log out. That's it. But you should have the internet, then you can work on it. If you know internet, you could not work on Salesforce.
Okay.
So it's no dependency on the softwares, it's a dependency on the internet.
Okay. What are some of the jobs that they have for people who learn this? What are some of the jobs?
Yeah, come to jobs, we have modules. Example, right now we have special module for admin jobs we have, and some projects we have on complete development. So if they are looking for development means they are looking for admin also. So that's why what is my choice means do best for two modules like admin and development. Then if they are looking for the admin also, if you say about development, then they will hire you very fast.
No, I understand that, but my question is like, what would be the title? Would it be Salesforce Functional Consultant? What is it called? Salesforce Admin? What is it called?
Yeah, that is we call as Salesforce Administrator and Salesforce Developer.
Okay, got it. Okay.
And somebody will not go for technical, they will come with BA. That's why they go with Salesforce BA.
Okay,
Like,
that is also included in this.
Yes. So that's they will go with Salesforce BA means only business analyst for sitting with the client taking the requirement and with no technical, but they know the function.
Okay, which is which part, the admin part or the development part?
No, no. When we are being as a BA, we should know the basics of all, but not 100% technical.
Okay,
Like,
so
yeah, when the client tell about requirement, then BA as a BA we should know that that requirement feasible or not. Then we can discuss with onshore, offshore team like that.
okay, no, you didn't understand my question, I think. Okay, go ahead. I'll ask you in the end.
Yeah, fine. So, but in our training content we will cover these three. So first one we cover admin part and we go with the development part. So once you learn these two parts, you are eligible for any kind of position in Salesforce to apply.
Okay.
Okay. So then we once we done that admin part this, and next we see about how to create one new Salesforce free account. So we can talk about HTTPS developer dot
About
Salesforce.
does it have testing in Salesforce or there's no testing in Salesforce?
No, we have testing in Salesforce. What we do means, yeah. So example, if you take my project, in my project we have 6 members and we have 3 developers and 3 testers. So once we develop the application, we give to the testing team with the different boxes. Like we develop the application in sandbox environments. We have developer sandbox and testing sandbox. So
Okay.
we will move the code from developer sandbox to testing sandbox. Testers will test in the QA sandbox.
Okay. What
So
do they use for testing? Is it load runner? What do they use?
No, actually they don't use any tools based on the requirement. Example, right now I'm working for Caterpillar. So what they do means they will go with no tools, but they go with Excel and they write the test scripts manually and they will execute one by one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now we can come to this URL. Okay. So I will show you. HTTPS. So you have to come to developer.force.com.
So you're directly working for Caterpillar, or is Caterpillar one of your clients?
No, I am working for offshore, not directly client. Onshore team will update the information. We will work on offshore.
Okay. Okay.
But my client is Caterpillar. Yeah.
Okay. So who's your employer?
My employer is Accenture.
Okay.
Yeah, payroll is Accenture, direct permanent employee.
Okay.
Okay, so once we come to this URL, one second. Okay, see now this is the URL. Now we can come to here and we can click on sign up button. If you see the right side corner, we see the login and sign up. You can click on sign up button. So once you click on sign up, it's a free account and a developer account. There is no expire for this instance. You can create account, you get the username and password, then you can use this account till end. Our lessons will end. So what you can do means, today example, tomorrow onward we start about the admin part. So once we complete my session, if you want to do practice, you can create, you can log into your account. You can practice the concepts day by day in your personal account. So then end of the day you have the instance of all the concepts which we covered for reference when you are working.
Okay.
Okay, next. So here we have to give the first name, last name and email ID and company. So here you can write. Okay, you can write. Say India. So you can say. Okay, username. So when we talk about username, it should be in the mail format. Either that is working or not, no problem. The format should be mail format. So this should be in the mail format. And once you've done everything, you can click on sign me up.
Okay.
So once you click on sign me up, whatever you enter the email ID, that will receive the confirmation mail. We have to go to that Gmail to reset the password, because when we are signing up, we didn't give any password details. They will send an email to our target email ID. So we get the mails to that. Once we go there, we can click on the one link, then we can reset the password. See now. So now you can refresh. See now, we got one mail that is called info@salesforce.com. Click on this. So once you see this, we have the big link here. If you click on this link, it will redirect to page and ask for set the password. See now. So this is the environment to set the password. So first thing we have to say the password is, you can give anything. So you have to give the secret question. This question helps you when you forget the password or reset the new password. So once you've done everything, you can click on save. So once you click on save, it redirects to Salesforce box. So this is the environment you are going to work for development and admin testing, everything we should use this instance. So this is the free account and there is expire. You can use it till end of our batch. In the same way, you can create your personal account. You can start practicing on it. Clear?
Yeah.
And what we are seeing in the left side, those all we call as a admin configuration, and we have one section called develop that we call about the Apex classes, triggers, and what you ask like test execution, everything we have. So like that. But in our course we will cover both admin and development. So first tomorrow we start about admin part, and once we done the configuration part, we go for development. Clear?
Yeah.
And once we done our work, we can click on username on the top arrow. You can see the option called logout. And once you click on logout, we can exit from Salesforce like our Gmail. So that's why there is no dependency on the location. Once we have internet, we can access through internet, that's fine. Only we required username and password like Gmail. That's it.
Okay, can you tell me
And you can yes, go ahead.
Can you explain to me in layman terms what does Salesforce mean? What does
Yeah, Salesforce is kind of CRM application, that is customer relationship management. And it's a business application. When they want to develop the products applications and when they want to start the business process. So
interrupt you for a second. What is Caterpillar wanting you guys to do with Salesforce? What is the use for Caterpillar?
Okay, so Caterpillar is one of the client for Salesforce. So what they do means they are storing the manufactured products. Example, Caterpillar, you know, that is they are using for construction, big construction factory. So using that, what they are developing means we are storing the all assets details into the Salesforce account, and we are storing the all their customers information into the Salesforce, and we are developing some customized application. Customized means development application. That application talks about how many customers we have, when they have service dates, when they have next service dates, and how many customers we have, and how many are expired, how many are activated, like that. All the information kind of thing will generate one application, and that application we will make as a website. So every customer will visit that website and will check the information, and he will see the when is the next service date for specific missions. Missions means that assets, construction assets.
Okay. So for that, they have to have a login ID to look at that, or you can just go to a website. So what is the difference between a website, like a normal website, and Salesforce?
Yeah, but actually in Salesforce we have the concept of sites. Example, Gmail, Yahoo, one website. Even Salesforce also one website. So in the same way, since Salesforce in development concept, one concept name is sites.
Okay.
So using the Salesforce account development concept, you can develop a site.
Okay.
So that, yeah, using that we can use. And second, we can create,
Why? Because I know that Caterpillar already has a website, right? It has all the machines and everything already on the website. Why do they have to use the Salesforce application? What is the advantage with that? They can use
No, no.
already existing website, right? Because Caterpillar already has that.
Yeah, Caterpillar has, but Caterpillar website will show only the overall information to the users. Example, when we say about Caterpillar website, I can see only the what is Caterpillar, how about Caterpillar, what they will provide on the rough idea. But when we come to our application, it's individual business purpose. Business purpose means, example, if we talk about Bata, I know the Bata will provide chapels, everything, but when we come to internal Bata, you can come to know how many customers they have, what are the finance related, what is the customers numbers, what is the how many customers they have, like that we have entire information.
Okay.
So that we can come to with the business logic through application. What you are talking about, that a website means it's overall application to get the customer. They will see the website and they will come to the customers. Once come to the customer, they will use the internal application for business purpose.
So what are you creating with Salesforce? You're creating the internal thing, or are you creating the external one? Because I thought you told me you can create the external one. You're creating the
yeah, our application will use only the, example, if you say Caterpillar, individually we have departments like we have service department, and we have manufacture items department, and we have service oriented. Example, we have 3 modules. Every module we have 5 employees in the Caterpillar. So what that service related information we have one page, and what the customers information maintained by the like reception or admin part. So that admin will give the users. Example, Caterpillar has 10 customers. The 10 customers we have the 10 users data. Then we have 10 Salesforce accounts we will give to the customers. They will see their information through login to the Salesforce. Like how we log into HDFC net banking, City net banking for individual accounts, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about complete introduction about Salesforce. So this is about demo, and that's it from my side. And once you are done and okay, then we can start from tomorrow admin part session 1. And once we complete the admin part configuration, then we move to the development. And tomorrow onwards we can make it as regular sessions, daily 1 hour.
How many people will be in the class, Kishore?
Right now, as of now, 1, but I have no issues to continue as 1 also, no problem. If someone will comes, we will talk to you, then we will join together, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah. But parallel another batch are going on, that fine. But as of now, as a demo, right now you only. Some are in process, so if they confirm, they will come.
How many years of experience do you have? Can you give me a little bit of background about yourself?
Yeah, myself Kishore, and I am working in IT industry past 6 years, and I am basic platform from Java.
Okay.
So once I work on Java for 2 years in different clients like JPMC and Cisco, then I moved the based on my interest, I turned to cloud computing. So then I worked for different clients for CTS, and now working for Accenture. So right now working for Accenture Caterpillar, and previous my clients are Philips clients. So I worked on the different 5 to 6 end-to-end applications through configuration and customization applications, and I have exposure on customization as well because I came from Java background. So due to background, it's very plus point to me to implement in the development applications, and we develop some customized applications to the clients on time. and we have the development skills are more than compared to like normal Salesforce guys because of Java technology. So that's why who are coming from Java, Salesforce is become very easy because admin part is very easy. Only they will always struggle for development only. If they know about Java background little bit, then they can come early in the Salesforce with good knowledge.
Okay. What is the general rate that is going on for Salesforce people currently?
General rate.
Yeah, I mean rate or salary expectations, whatever you want to call it.
Salary means example right now they are paying as a programmer or as an analyst starting they are paying $72,000 per year.
Okay.
So like that we came to know. So they are paying $72,000 as a programmer analyst. In the same way, based on their experience and role, and based on the way of they do interview, that also will come with talk about finance.
Okay. What about interview questions and answers? Do you provide that as well? And what about support on the project? Do you provide that after like somebody joins the project, or do you just do training?
No, I usually do taking the interview calls behalf of customer like proxy I take. In the same way I take support once they get job. Like example, you are learning from me. So once you done your training, instead of going away, you can just have continue with our friendship. So once you have stuck somewhere else, you can call me or mail me. We will talk about support thing, and we will continue the support work also.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
because somebody.
how long
Yeah.
have you been working on Salesforce itself?
Yeah, this is the 4th year running on Salesforce for me.
Okay. Okay. Do you see a lot of openings in Accenture for Salesforce?
Yeah, Salesforce providing lot of openings in Salesforce across global. Based on the location, they will hire.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
How many
So
students
that's
taught so far?
what?
How many students have you taught so far?
Yeah, I am giving training since 2+ years of training experience and only on Salesforce because prior I gave Java also. So I later moved to technology Salesforce. I am giving this Salesforce. I gave about to 50+ students. So who are doing the OTP students, everything I gave. And I gave BA students, I give complete development students, everything I gave. So about to 50+.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, fine, no problem. So you can talk with the team and confirm the training, and we will start from. Okay, are you okay with say daily same time? This is 7 to 8.
Not yet. I'll let you know the timing in a day or two. We haven't even discussed the pricing and all that, so I have to talk to him about the fee. Where are you based out of in India, so that I know the timings and everything? Are you based, when you said offshore, where are you based out of?
Yeah, I am from offshore only, that is India.
Okay.
So the timings, if it would be compatible with India, then it's fine. So okay, if you are okay with the morning time like this time, like morning 6, 7, 8, that is fine to me. Like past 3 hours. Like right now we are in. What is our time now? Is it 9 o'clock?
That's fine. So you are free in the morning for the first 3 hours, right?
Yeah, it's if you are okay with first morning time in India, then that is fine. That means what we are talking now, the same time like you in the evening, next 2 hours or before 2 hours. That is also fine.
Okay, thank you. I understood. You mentioned you also provide support in proxy and all that, right? So, do you have proxies for girls as well, or just like guys? I mean, I know you can answer for guys, but what about girls?
No, actually proxy is the optional thing. So only we talking about now only complete training. Proxy regarding thing we don't come under the training thing. Only through friendship and through communication we talk separately regarding proxy and support. We will do that one. But if it is required, we will talk to my friends and all this, and we will give that support to you.
Okay, I understand. I was just, trying to figure out how does this work. Since this is a new technology, right? So it is more in the last 3-4 years. It's been more. I guess companies are trying to implement, right? Also, give like live examples of what you did, like maybe in Caterpillar and all that, and also with resume preparation. Is that included in training or not?
Not that much but we can give the real-time environment once you've done the development admin. So once you've done our entire complete training, I will give these to you. I will show my application, how we did and how to do that, like that.
Okay, you'll give us a test or something to see how we are doing.
Yeah. No, I will share, I can have access my account of Caterpillar. What I do means I will log into Caterpillar Salesforce account. I will show you what we are doing from daily, from desk, like that.
Oh, okay, I understand now. Okay, I understood. Okay, got it. Okay,
then you can come to know the real time what's going on, what we did. Is it eligible to support what I did learn so far for real time or not? Then you will get confidence to go forward.
Yeah, okay. So how long will this take? For 30 hours, 40 hours, right?
Yeah, max 30. So based on our communication and understanding, if you do with faster access, then it is short time. If it is going with more basics and clear understanding, then based on your confidence, yes.
Basics, because I don't know anything about Java programming and I haven't done programming in a while. So you'll have to.
Yeah, got it.
Is it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. For people who don't know Java programming, they can still learn Salesforce, or do we have to first learn Java and then come back here?
No, not required. Here we don't talk about complete Java. Here the only talk about core Java. That we have one major concept we call OOPS concept. That is object oriented concept. Those are basic concepts. So Java is ocean. We can't learn in the 1 or 2 days. It takes years. In the Java we don't need compare Java. Only we need the one part in the Java piece. That piece is called OOPS concept. No need to learn Java. If you know OOPS concept, that is also fine. That OOPS concept comes under C++ also we have.
Yeah, okay, I don't know C++, so okay, that's fine.
Yeah, no issues. You don't need to think about development. So I will give from scratch. So if you have free time, you can work on background, no issues. But don't think much about development to learn Java, all these things, because Java is ocean, we can't learn all this. But in Salesforce development, what are the concepts we have that we do from scratch? By end of the day, you will get confidence to write the coding. That I can give the support to you.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, can confirm the timings and training with the team. Then we can talk tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.